What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for y'all today. So, I know, it's been a while. You probably saw the trail video that I posted before this. It'll be like, this will be like a couple days later. So I just want to give you a little update. First of all, the coronavirus, I gotta mention it. But it's out there, and I hope everybody be safe. We had a little incident at work about relating to that. We sent us home early on Thursday and didn't have some in Friday or Saturday. So yeah, that's that. But we're still back at Monday. We're back at work for now. We'll see how that lasts, and I'm hoping if all y'all working that y'all stay working. If not, I'm hoping you might be getting paid. If not, well, I hope you figure something out. But anyway, so basically what I just want to do a little review, mainly just one thing, but a couple things I got planned on the welding truck. So I'll spin y'all around and I'll let y'all show what it is. A couple things I'm gonna be working on is, I have done. If any of y'all notice, this box is new. I picked this box up at an auction a few weeks, probably about a month or two ago now. It's just a 48-inch side mount box, so I think they're technically underbody boxes, but whatever, same difference. So I painted it with some black bed coating or bed lining, whatever you want to call it. And then what I did in here is, zoom out. As you see, I got my hose wheel. My hose wheel used to sit right on that corner. I want to put it inside because the hose, just to keep it out of the elements, the hose on my other one was getting tore up. I replaced the hose on this. I probably should have just replaced the whole wheel, but I got a new hose for it. Put that on, so that way that'll work out pretty good for us. So that being said, that's all set. What else? And I got this. This is a piece of I think 10-inch C-channel, 10 or 12-inch C-channel I had laying around. And what I did is that bolt, and then there's another bolt right there, and two more on the other side. They are what hold the box to the truck. They just through bolted. So what my plan is, as you see, I put this angle on it. Drill the hole, put the angle on it. Water the angle in right there. So basically, this is what I can bolt through. I didn't want to put tons of holes in the top of the bed of the truck. There's enough holes as it is. Didn't want to put any more, that way water can't get in any other way. I do gotta put a bead of silicone all the way around the edge of this box, but still gotta work on that. And then what I did here is I drilled the holes, and then I went through and tapped them. They all 3/8 holes, so I tapped them, put them in, and then that works. And then did that. I need to get a lock cylinder for this. I have the old one, but I can't find a key for it, so I just gotta find one for that. Maybe I'll look at that tonight. I just threw them up there temporarily. I should add some. I need to put a light in here and probably move them up top to shine better anyway. Those lights. Let me show you on the bed. There's my fender off my trail. I gotta put that back on it. It's designed to come off. I gotta paint that too. I just paint it. Alright, my bed's a mess, I know. So I gotta paint this, but this is how I ran the airline. Basically, I just got a 90. Drilled a hole. This in between there is a lock nut for electrical. I forget what they call them. And then a washer, and then that put on there, and then there's one of those nuts on the inside too, and then I just do it. I know I could have bought a was it a bung hole? Through bung, whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but you know what I'm talking about. I actually got them. I got some of them coming, but that's gonna work fine. Just airline, won't be a big deal. I wasn't trying to seal it up. I'm trying to keep water out. I probably put a bead of silicone on that just to be sure, but. And that just runs back to the compressor like it did. I could have just went through and drilled a hole and put there, but I just want to try and kind of do it a little bit better than just that. And then Alright, so my plan for this box right here is, as you can see, I got the hose wheel over there for that's just my compressed air. On this side over here, I just ordered a 100-foot oxyacetylene wheel from Harris Gases, wheel and hose. I think it's like $200 basically, 190, something like that. So that's gonna sit on this side right here, closest to the welding. And then I got two bungs. Through bungs. I probably butchering that name. And I'm gonna drill it through there. And I got adapters to go from 1/4 inch to oxyacetylene line. I think that's 5/8, 5/16, something like that. Maybe I don't know. I just went to the welding store and got them. So, and they're gonna come through here, come out here, and then on my elbow down. And let me spin it. They're gonna come through here, whatever it ends up being. Down here, I'm probably gonna put a piece of PVC from here across the other side of the bed into my tanks, where I'll have a small, probably a 15-foot hose will probably work. I gotta measure that actually. And then went to my tanks. Just trying to do it clean. You know, I might want to just put it in the back now I think about it. That might be a better idea. Just pop it to that back that way. But I'll figure that out. Yeah, going for that wheel there. And then my goal is in the middle here to put my lead wheels. I'm probably just go with the diamond, probably the diamond brand wheels, the old chasing wheels, the double stack on sides. That's my plan. That way all my wheels on there, I gotta double check measurements, but I'm pretty sure it all fit. That way all my wheels, all this stuff is self-contained. It's in its own box. I'm not taking up one of these boxes, but it's in its own box so where it can, I don't have no issues with weathering and all that. All these wheels can be outside, but I want to try preserving them, like the hoses and the lead. Well, the leads probably won't be a big deal, but that's kind of my plan on that. This box, I got this at the same time I got that. It's a weather guard. It's like a filing box, cabinet kind of deal. I did find a key for this. Put it in. What I'm gonna do is take this and put it in the cab as a center console. I gotta build a little mount for it to sit on. And then it's lockable, so say if I have my pistol with me or whatever, I can put it in there if I need to, or whatever else I need to do. That's kind of my plan on that. But yeah, that's work in progress. So I think that's about all I got going for this at the moment. Oh, and I gotta put tires on this thing. Showing a belt on the other side, I put the spray on. I just gotta track down some tires. If y'all have any tire suggestions, I have BFGs, BF Goodwrench, commercial ATs on them. I think I'm going back with them. They're about 150 a piece. So if any of y'all have any suggestions, let me know. Trying to think what else. As for this truck, that's about it. I don't really think I got too much more to show on the truck. And then I don't know if I ever did a bump bolt. So I don't know if I ever did this. I don't think I ever posted it, but this is the final water bump. As you can see, the rust. Some of it's mud, some of it's rust. I actually welded something on here. I needed to hold it in place, but this is the final bumper on this truck. Came out pretty good. Got that vise just hanging out there in that receiver hitch. I like that idea a lot. Got that. It works pretty good. I got these little lights on the sides. Yeah, it works pretty good. I actually accidentally backed into my Chevy with this the other day, but I think that hit it and looked at that. Look at the Chevy. No damage. So I was like, oh, okay. Sounded a lot worse than what it was. But yeah. Oh, and then my other idea is to this is my argon tank right here, and I got plenty of room to put a regulator and put a safety cap on it. So what I'm thinking about doing is coming out here with a bung, probably whatever that pipe end up being, running the hose from right in here, wherever I decide, all the way over to the other side of the truck, right here on the other side of the truck. And then have a quick connect for my argon hose for either my TIG rig or for say a my spool gun. Mainly for my spool gun, just because I hate having to run a hose over here and just mess with it. That way it's hooked up. All you gotta do is just turn the gas, take this cap off, turn the valve, run it. It's fine. I'm just trying to make this truck a little more user friendly and more efficient, I guess you could say. But yeah, that's that. But yeah, at this point, y'all have endured me this long, so I'm sorry. I'm rambled a lot, but I hope y'all enjoyed it so far. That just comes some of the plans, some of the things in work for the F3 or the E350. Other thing is, I want to change that bottle rack. It works, but getting that oxygen cylinder is it's just a pain in the butt. So I might put some doors on it, but so basically what I'm trying to do is come up with a list of parts I need to do all this stuff, so that if say we get quarantined or something in this, depending on what this virus does, I don't know if it's gonna, but just everybody wash your hands and all that. But if we do, I got a list of stuff I can work on, because my wife already told me crazy. We're trying to stay in and not go out and not go to the store if we don't have to and stuff. I've been going crazy already, so my wife said, "You're gonna go crazy if we go quarantine," and I'm like, "Yes, I will." Anybody that knows me know that, so yeah, that's that. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of get idea of what parts I need, so I can go ahead and get them either on order or go pick them up, whatever works. But yeah, that's basically all I got going. Just a little note from a personal matter. I'm really trying to be conscientious about this whole, I want to say Ebola, it's not Ebola, this coronavirus, because any day now my wife is due. Well, she got another week or two, something like that. But she pretty much due, our baby is coming, so we're just trying to be very conscientious, and I've been cleaning my hands a lot more than I normally do. Just trying to stay out of any potential issue. The hospital already aren't allowing no visitors and all that, so they're taking it pretty seriously. People at work are taking it seriously, my family taking it seriously, so just do everybody a favor, take it serious. Whether you think it's a big deal or not, just take it serious. It may not affect you, but it may affect somebody else. So just take it serious and wash your hands. Just be good hygiene. That's all I ask. If you're sick, stay home. And I'm a bad one to say that, because I'm one of those guys that go to work when I'm sick. Just try pushing through it, but really just, you don't know who you might be injuring by getting sick. But anyway, I have rambled long enough. That's probably like a 15-20 minute video. I am sorry, but I like to just have all y'all just sorry. But if you like what you're seeing and want to see more videos, I want you, if I do get quarantined, if we do the whole mass quarantine, if it becomes something in North Carolina, then I'm sure as heck gonna get a lot of videos out, because I'm gonna be working on all this stuff and I ain't got nothing better to do. But hopefully not. I'm really hoping not, because that just be bad for a lot of people. But anyway, stay tuned, watch, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and put in the comment sections any suggestions, anything like that. But I'll tell you what, I haven't had too bad, all my comments been great, but if anybody starts getting negative, I'll block you. I don't want to, because I like hearing y'all comments, and I'm good with constructive criticism as long as it's constructive. If it's not constructive and just somebody trying to be a pain in the butt, I'm gonna block you. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later.